Hello, today I'm in Audi A8. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display and change its settings. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can change volume of the entertainment volume. We can inactivate or deactivate voice assistant,
Cancel.
manage mode of the car and manage navigation.
Navigation is not active.
Also, if you press right here, you'll use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.